meditation. What is the meditation and how some people like do meditation and they are very calm and their mind is one place and hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I really want to talk about the meditation. What is the meditation and how some people like do meditation and they are very calm and their mind is one place, and do you get what I mean? Like, meditation is very simple, and I would say majority people need to start to doing, because at this moment a lot of things going on in our head, a lot of things happening around us, maybe we working and we're not relaxed, and we come home, like from the work we come home and we feel like pressure and all of this and that. So meditation, it will help you a lot. It will relax your mind, it will relax your body, and you will be very on focus. So what is the meditation? Meditation is something you do. All you need is just simple. You just need to sit down on like the relaxed position that you're comfortable with, any position, whether you lay down or you sit down, like as long as you're comfortable, which position you like. And what you have to do is just close your eyes, and you don't need to be empty-minded. People will be like, no, meditation is like you have to be nothing need to be in your head, you just be everything clear, no nothing. But in reality, meditation is like you will be aware of things. For example, things comes to you and you'll be aware with it, like you welcome them. You'll be like, come here, yes, but don't stay too long because you're going to ruin me. But you will be aware with it, and you let those thoughts comes to you, and after one another, like for example, you were thinking about your work, and after that you will move on and you think about something else. That's what meditation's like. And all is focus on your breath as well, because what you need to do when you sit down is you focus on your breathing, right? And suddenly some thoughts comes, it's very okay, because you have to be aware with these thoughts. None of you human like they are without any thoughts. Like, have you ever seen anyone without any thoughts? They don't got no thoughts. If they're not human, then. So you get the thoughts while you sit down on the comfortable position, you're breathing and you focus on the breathing. You will get a little bit of thoughts, but it's okay. You should be aware of these thoughts, because what's happening here, what we need to do, we need to welcome all of these anxiety, depression, all of these feeling. We need to welcome them in our body. In order we will feel very strong, because at the moment we are running a lot from the anxiety, depression, because whenever we feel, we start to overcome on these fears, and we start to like thoughts, it will become overthinking, and all of this, it will be ruined. So that's why the meditation is one of the best therapy, as I would say it in this way, because it can make you very, very relaxed. So when you guys, as you know, it's very simple. You sit down on the position, and a comfortable position, and you start to focus on your breathe in, breathe out. That's all you need to do, because it's really nothing hard to it. All you need to start it with the 2 minutes, 1 minute, that's it. Because as long as you get comfortable with it and you start to increase the timing, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, as long as you can do, because trust me when I tell you this, it's very, very good thing. Meditation is very good thing. You can do it at morning time, at night time, any time you want to do it, you can do it. Because sometimes, like, you can do this like you drive in the car, or you sit down at your work on the desk, you can do it, because nothing is need. Only need to focus on your breathe in, breathe out, and that's it. As I said, when the thoughts comes, it's okay, welcome them, because don't let them to be inside you, because whatever something bad is stay inside you to destroy, right? Let me give you this example. Like, maybe your neighbor will come inside, like in your house, and you know these neighbors are very harsh, they talk a lot of bullshit, but they stay just little time and they will leave. But if they stay a long time there, you know what's going to happen. A lot of the anger and this and that, it will be destroying, right? So that's how in our thoughts and our emotion, we don't need to let them to stay there like a long time. We need to let them go. Okay, you turn times up, you can go now. Let the other thoughts come. That's how it is. Meditation is very simple, and I would say if you started doing it, it's very good. It's very good. Your life will change, I'm telling you. And yes, guys, all I wanted to say about this subject today, because I've seen so many people, they're not like a relaxed way, and I know it's very hard in this timing. We all need to be relaxed. We all deserve some good and quality mind state. We all need that. And yes, guys, I hope you liked the video, and yes, guys, to see you the next time. Peace.